Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. So today I'm going to be bringing you a review of the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Hot Jalapeno Palette. It looks like this. One of my followers actually suggested this palette to me and I've never used it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do. It's cruelty free and vegan, and that's something I really like. So in case you don't know, cruelty free means that they don't test on animals. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is not sponsored. And thank you to my follower. She was the one who let me know about this, so shout out to you. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. So this is a net weight of 0.12 ounces, 3.5 grams, and it doesn't have the names of the eyeshadows, so I'm just gonna go ahead and so this is the final look, guys. Final thought, guys. So my final review of this e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow palette in the jalapeno shade is that I really like it. For it being $3, it's really good. I like it. As you can see in some of the swatches, I didn't like that when you swatched, it didn't really show the colors, the pigmentation of it, even though I was like really going in there and rubbing it. But once you put it on your eyelids, so this eyeshadow palette was $3, guys. It's very inexpensive. And comparing it to other high-end eyeshadows and other drugstore eyeshadows, you can't really tell the difference. It does the same as those high-end and other drugstores. And I like that it's really small, so you can conveniently put it in your purse or even in your pocket of like your. So when I was swatching it, you couldn't really see the color's potential. But once I applied it on my eyelid, so final thought, guys, this is worth the $3. I would buy more, which actually I bought one more, and I'm gonna do a review for you guys in another video because I need to swatch it. I would have liked for it to have a mirror. So out of a 10, I would give it a 9.5. So this is it for the e.l.f. Jalapeno Bite Size Eyeshadow. Like I said, it is worth it. If you have those $3, go get them. This one is very, very pretty. And there you go, guys. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this swatch mini review. Thank you. Have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. And until next time.